What it do, YouTube? What it do? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the KB Show, man. I want to introduce to y'all something different, man. A little segment, man, called Shop Vlogs. So we got this $300,000 Range Rover SV with the $20,000 back seat package. And as you see, I got the back seat out. Got the trunk dismantled. We got some amplifiers going in, some audio work going in this vehicle. This is a 2024 Range SV, fully kitted out. As you can see, black roof, matte paint on there. So this one's fully kitted, and then you can see the front seats. I'll show you the front seats. The front seats are different color than the back seats are. So it has this full blue interior back here, or up front, and then in the rear you can see it changes to a cream color, which I like. But anyway, this car is getting a full audio makeover. So we got new tweets up there, new 6.5s down here, and we got our 3.5s in the dash with our center channel as well, 3.5. And then in the rear doors, we also got a 3-way component set. So we got a tweeter up here, we got our 3-way right there, and our 6.5 down here. And you see it's gonna be powered by these 3 amplifiers here. So we got our 830 DSP Glade and Mosconi amplifier, along with our 410 4-channel Mosconi Glade and amplifier. And then we got our Pro 230 2500 watt Mosconi mono sub amplifier. All going in this 2024 Range Rover SV. I was gonna say sport, but it's SV Range. Twin turbo V8, baby. But yeah, we got another segment coming to the channel, man. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit what I do with these cars, these high-end cars, man. Old school cars are headaches. Y'all seen that, them prison vlogs, headaches. So I'm gonna show y'all a little something interesting too, man. I'm gonna start dropping a little bit more shop vlogs, man. So y'all tap in with the boy. Y'all let me know what you think, man. Would you spend $300K on a SV Range and then dissect it, put music in it? I should have showed y'all the videos when I had the doors all off. We had the whole door apart, the dashboard apart, just to get it, just to change out the sound. So this is what these clients want. This is what these clients get. Everything changed out. But yeah, man, y'all tap in with me, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. Should I drop more shop vlogs or what? Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. It's a $300,000 Range. Look, we got the refrigerator right here. Yep. Y'all tap in with the boy, man. The KB Show, man. Shop vlogs. $300,000 Range Rover SV. Getting music. Yes, sir.